Okay, so let's take a look at the index.php file for the free template you just downloaded. I'm going to show you how to tweak things and make it work. I'm going to assume that you know how to sort of FTP all this in to your server. But if you don't and you want me to set this all up for you, I can. Just go use the link, go get a HostGator account, just a cheap one, like the $3.95 or $4.95 a month using the link on this page. And in all transparency, it'll trigger a referral fee for me. It's an affiliate link. And they've got a healthy affiliate program. If you do that, I'll be nicely compensated, and then I'll be happy to upload all this to your HostGator account and tweak the page to your liking. I build squeeze pages all day long. We can make you something really good for whatever business you're in, if you don't want to do all this hairy stuff. If you can do all this, great. I'm going to show you kind of just how this page works, point out some things here so that you can get moving with it pretty quick. So the only page you should need to edit is the index.php file. Basically your page title up top, of course. This is the background where I'm just putting the video iframe from YouTube, and you can 1400 by 800, 1400 by 1100 width height should work, but you can play with that and do whatever you want. And what's cool is you can do any of the YouTube embed stuff. See, I have autoplay equals 1. I'm taking the show info off, and I'm even taking off the annotations in this particular video using the embed codes, what YouTube allows you to do. So what you do, just pick a cool video, set it to autoplay or not. The effect is going to be much more, much cooler if you leave autoplay equals 1. If people are hitting your page and it starts to autoplay, it's sort of the whole point here. You can also embed an image here if you want and make it the whole background. If you just want something static, you can do that. And your header is back down here. Put anything you want here in this PHP right over here. And then this little string, right? It's pretty neat stuff, and we use this in a lot of our pages. This is really valuable if you understand it. This little string will basically get a variable out of the URL. You just place this wherever you want, and it'll get the B parameter. Let me try to explain. I have another page open here. Let me try to explain how that works for you. If I come over here into the page you probably just opted into, right, and I change what's up here. See how I have on easy hits for you? Well, here I'm using that Perl parameter down here, so I could do this page converts like crazy. On plus Facebook, and it'll change what's in the page. So I can build pages targeted to different targets on the fly. Wherever I happen to be advertising my page. And there's 1,000 different ways this applies. We've used this on Facebook to target different MLMs. If you want to explode your Amway business, then we'll plug in Amway, so we don't have to build a new page for every MLM, that kind of stuff. So if you get this, you just understood what I said. If you don't, just go grab another HostGator account. Go grab the HostGator account. Let me set this all up for you. Okay? It'll save you a lot of time. Anyway, that's that. That's the headline up here. Here we have form code from Aweber. You can use form code from anything, but if you want to use Aweber, I'll give you a link to that. If you don't already have an account, go get a $1 trial, I think. And what you can do is you can put the list name in here for your Aweber, and then set your thank you page URLs in this code. You don't have to mess with this code. Just fill in your list name and the thank you page. And then there's also allowance to do a tracking variable if you do T in your URL, and then just play with the form code. Again, I'm going to assume that you kind of know how to work with this stuff. You can use any form code you want, but you want to make sure that the class equals field right here. When you have fields, you see that, and class equals submit. You want to kind of stick with these so that the CSS classes carry through with whatever form you're building. And that's about it. Underneath the submit button, you'll have you put any text you want, and just have fun with this. It's really cool. We're getting really great opt-in rates with these. They're very pattern interrupting right now. I'm sure more people will be doing this soon, and I'm sure people are already doing it. I just never seen it with a video. I've seen it with GIFs. We're doing that with animated images, but with this, with an auto-playing video, it's a lot of fun. So feel free, grab that hosting account if you want me to set this up for you. If you have any questions, the info will be somewhere here around the video. Thanks.